Yambo game ni wie no. They needed 3 points. And SN and Saka and no any idea a dead trima one or the any team. So you're starting from them now family bra from.
Gabi said I think no, it was 2 days ago.
Yeah, 2 days ago.
I was watching very carefully and I picked Nhyira Nkitibia. I saw say it was very good about Penia, a friend of Carlos Queiroz, the posture towards Ejuma Obeji for the Black Stars. They said, yeah, okay, he's talking about being a winning coach. Now, Gabi, if you are coming to take a Black Stars job of this nature at this point, you have nothing else but to talk about winning. Because for a very long time, winning has not been synonymous with a Black Stars team. In the last major tournaments, the last 3 major tournaments, we have won only 2 games. Only 2. Gabi. And if you look at the teams, at this point, some of them are still holding that bragging right over us. You would want a coach who is coming in to take Ejuma Black Stars Ejumano to always come up and talk about winning, because if the priority is not winning, that mentality will not sink down even into the ideas or even into the players.
Okay.
Why? Because we are moving on from an Otoadoa. He struggled in the job he was doing. Yemu say Otoado was not there in terms of tactics. He is experienced at various levels. So, what winning mentality is he coming, or what mentality is he coming with? That's the winning mentality. But Gabi, me question and say, how does he intend to win with a team that is still struggling to come together in terms of structure? We don't have it. We don't have it. Which is why I also agree with him when he says, Ejuma we one of the most difficult jobs are Wabeji. But it should also mean that he should have a strategy that he will use to, number 1, win his games, and number 2, overcome the challenges that he foresees will come with Ejumana, Black Stars Ejumana Wabeji. No. Gabi, somebody will ask me, say, what kind of strategy do I think he can implement? Already in Wabekasa, or say he has one of his teams monitoring the players abroad, and he also has another team monitoring the players locally.
Yeah.
And now you say
Black
Galas is for a training grounds. I don't know where he will be, whether he will be local or he will be with the international team. But at the end of the day, the most important thing will be how he will profile the players that he wants to call into the national team. At this point, me sure say a new player BR.
Okay.
Because of the time that he doesn't have. So, the players that we have called in the last few windows, the players are Otoado ni Omaye Ejuma over the last few call-ups. Or more and also monitor. Because Gabi, you don't want to disrupt the chemistry of the team by going to call new players who maybe have not played Black Stars before and expect, say, the winning mentality that you want to incorporate into the team will be achieved. It will not be achieved. In fact, it cannot be achieved. So if you're talking about winning, then it means that you need to work with the familiar materials, number 1. Call them. I don't know how he will go about it. I don't know how you do his scouting. I don't know how Obe assemble his report. But let the familiar faces remain. But number 2, he needs to exert his authority. Now, this is where the coaching comes in. Because authority will run the dressing room, and he knows that definitely because of his pedigree and where he has worked before, he will command the respect. And I want to believe, say, even though there are going to be egos clashing in that dressing room, everyone who listens to Carlos Queiroz would know for a fact that opinion say you cannot challenge him. So if you are walking into that dressing room and you want to work with Queiroz, you are going to accept and understand that he is the one who will who will give you instructions, and you need to obey those instructions. So call the familiar faces. Number 2, let his authority speak. And Ahono and his experience, all the places that he has coached will come to bear. Because that is where we will see the difference between Otoado and Carlos Queiroz.
Okay.
Because Carlos Queiroz would want to approach the game with a certain mindset. And Utia Sama Okaye Pana, he's trying to demonstrate to the point that if there are 3 games at the World Cup in the group stage, I will say Panama. Okay. I'm not saying that Ghana was say this team say Panama the bit show. Let it not be that way.
No, but Joe, say Ghana team here ko World Cup.
Ye team Panama.
In group stage, any teams made it. Any England recently World Cup no was it semi-finals no drew.
Yeah,
Russia former ex-finalist. Omo do final in Chebia.
Yeah.
And Panama no see a show mo. Say Ghana team yen team Panama. How do we then fancy our chances against Croatia and England? The American what I say. The Panama dey omo rankings no was chain, but omo no so me target was a show mo. Now team Panama who go join England ni man as Croatia.
Bazando the American say. Let's have that mentality, but let's not. My own who said we are better than Panama.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you know what I'm saying? He wants to get the winning start from Panama, and luckily they are our first game. So if the winning mentality he's trying to bring across can be met with that Panama game, what it tells you is say it will help the boys to prepare mentally for the games against England and Croatia. Don't forget, say Carlos Queiroz has just 4 months. It's a very short-term contract. So he's working in terms of psyche for that first game against Panama. That is where we need to see the boys play the kind of football we want to see. Okay. Yes, only Mexico, but you play that game with the Black Galaxies. So I'm not expecting so much from that game. June 2nd, you know where was Bebo? We would have seen a Carlos Queiroz team assemble for the first time. Then it will give us an idea how we play the Panama game. But the MMA can say, Panama game must be a World Cup final to Ghana players on that day, where they will try and say to themselves that after all the troubles that we have gone through in the last few tournaments, from 2019, Yako AFCON, we exited in the round of 16. 2021 AFCON, we exited in the group stage. Look at 2023 AFCON, another exit from the group stage. 2022 Qatar, another group stage exit. So if you are going to play a 2026 FIFA World Cup, after we had a very rocky qualification, even look at the African Cup of Nations competition, Young qualify. So the Black Stars has become more or less a team that cannot achieve a lot. But if that will be changed in terms of the mindset, the perception, and how we approach this tournament, it means the Carlos Queiroz about winning. No, it needs to be met on that game against Panama. So the identity that we are going to shape up for the tournament must come with the idea that that game against Panama would reinforce Adia Okan press conference and they say he's a winning coach. That's what we want to see on that day.
Okay.
And Gabi, another thing I'm the way he spoke about the egos clashing in the dressing room, I really like the way he approached it. When you say, I can tell for a fact that at least after the announcement came saying he was appointed Black Stars coach, he has been doing his own research. He has been doing his own notes. He has gone to maybe watch a few videos. He can get a glimpse or an understanding of how the Ghana team is at this point. And your business our question, the way he answered it tells you that he is not in a position to come and fight with anyone. This is a short-term contract. He is coming in to do a certain job for which there's a likelihood say in Penifo Ekachele say we will give you the opportunity to continue with the Black Stars. And with a new manager coming in, what you want to establish is a relationship with everybody you work with, especially the players. Say you will get the best out of them. Because give you examples. In the dressing room now, the players that you think or that we think drink kakra dressing room but we know them. We know them. So if you are a Carlos Queiroz and you have come into the Black Stars, and because Obia Kacha will say we are hard drink, so you don't work well with that person, then it means you are even failing from the start.
Okay.
you need to understand that irrespective of whatever behavior that any player possesses, you as a manager who is coming in on a short-term basis, you need to get the best out of them. Because for all you know, no, Ghana for no, we all have our reasons why we support certain players. Maybe I didn't get the all ball park no so. But the fact say no cutting no keke no. That is why you are hearing a lot of people who are advocating for the inclusion of Andrea Yu.
Yeah.
He has his flaws. He has his own things that Abia Okoye or Camp and people have spoken about it. But Gabi, do you know what it will mean for Carlos Queiroz to call Andrea Yu? Say, I know all your shortcomings, but I will need your presence in the team. I'm just giving an example. But you can imagine what it will mean. Perhaps it could go in a positive light for your Black Stars players, or it could also help public perception. Say Otuado or say doesn't want to work with Andrea Yu. No, Carlos Queiroz he has found a way to patch up with him, and he has assured himself Omoko World Cup now he will give him a certain roller. When he plays that role very well, it will help the fortunes of the team. See, I'm happy with Queiroz and how he approached the press conference, but a lot will depend on how he will implement a good strategy to call the players from for the World Cup. Now,
maintaining some of assistants are now more Ebake Otuado in or no setup. Do you think say a good idea in the future?
Say this conversation was not at the Insembebre AP. In person can be, but I like the fact that will be Sami, because what I will say about this and say, if Carlos Queiroz is coming to take a Black Stars Ejuma air temporary. Now his immediate target is to go to the World Cup and put up a certain performance for the Black Stars and for Ghana as a country. Gabi, don't you think it is wise? Say, Omoye more familiar with the team would work or should work with him to get the best out of it. Isn't that the wisest thing to do?
Okay.
Political side of the issues, because I don't know, Mahu said generate a different kind of conversation about competency levels of what I am saying is that John Peso, Desmond Ofe, right, Fatah Dauda, these three have been with the Otuado backroom. Fine, fair enough. Otuado has been sacked. The expectation is say Yempom will be in fuel and let Queiroz do his work. But in terms of chemistry, in terms of continuity, in terms of say Yempe Omwa familiar with the form. We can say he needs to maintain the same group of players that have been called previously. You cannot do that alone.
Okay.
Onono Obano or the Josesa and Eba as his assistant, or the Gaspar Eba as his goalkeeper's trainer, right? He needs to morph this team that he's bringing with the already existing people, so that they can get the team to work well. Because Gabi, 1 year is any year.
Is it because of the short time Nintina? What kind of
that is why I'm saying that.
Oh, okay.
If it was long term, maybe that's a different conversation.
Okay.
But because of the target that is ahead of you and the competition that is at stake, or the thing that you have to play, competition you have to play, don't disrupt the chemistry of the team by letting Cross say I want to call from number. It will take more time for them to get the desired results if you do that. But John Pencil is there. He has worked with the team. Ofe is there. He's a brilliant guy. And he knows how to profile the players pretty well. He can help Queiroz to do the selection. And I say, oh, Yembose, this player can give us this. It is wise, say you have these guys around to also serve as an advisory council to Aya Queiroz. It's imagine, no.
Okay, Steve, Brandon Zoom from na
Carlos Queiroz was destined to fail. So Amfa Otuado backroom staff no be anka na adwuma no ho a. Kamijide senka e bi anko nam kwanso o failure ansa.
Oh, okay.
And Joshua rightly put it. We are not in normal times. And ideally, anka coach dey be for adwuma no be 4 months, 5 months, 1 year before the tournament. Obenya kwa ne backroom staff aba I am familiar with the players. Obako international break. Only players ni be dijuma. But Gabi, we have less than 50 days to the World Cup tournament. And just like the tournament, That's a head coach. They be going near Pamona. They see Ivory Coast. They match fire. Yeah, Pamu coach na. Young Kofa coach in Frabonte. Maso me coach Timono. The woman have been a coach. They make what I say. And it is only fair say 60 days to the World Cup tournament. International break crab pay before the World Cup tournament. It is hard to know to the backroom staff. No, there are 1 or 2 people who move more. You maintain you are not the also they but make home.
Okay.
And I was buying was say Black Galaxies. And now he was at Accra Sports Stadium monitoring their training session. And he omokwa edu abuchiri monitor Ghana players. Maybe so how say monitor local players no. To Jumadi ne bi no. I think the wisest thing in this discussion here, yeah, FN Carlos Queiroz aye, and it's a momentary or to the backroom staff members nibi.
Okay.
And see Kajumani be diamano because 2 months to the World Cup tournament, you can't expose a new face to a different terrain. You can't do. You will not be fair to him. So no boy FN Carlos Queiroz and Kasabaso. Uti Henry here was say Queiroz any FN Jetum. So no. Yemfa ebinimunshem nani na beboa. So now John Pencil, Desmond Ofe, Fatah Dauda, they know the body language of these players. They've worked with them for the past few years. And when the name say player, coach saying that here, 2% saying that here. No, I advise so much such.
Okay.
I was not for the argument say you move film completely. No. Now you're building a whole new technical setup. I bring him say coach in only time. They make an audience here. And so for me that decision, I agree. It is up to Desmond Ofe, John Pencil, and Fatah Dauda to convince the coach and the GFSA. Jumadi the man the shop and fast one. I hear a lot of things going on, and that John Pencil won't deserve it. I don't have a problem when you disagree, but to the extent say a bit more disrespectful and when you could, it's not true. They make an audience here.
Okay.
National team, you need a bit of attachment of an old player in the technical team. Hey, different from club side. And Queiroz abai on coaching Ghana da minim kwasa Ghana wa bahada. It's your old player with team nim. Ya o nim wa da wa ball widely traveled. No better in India advice coaching when it comes to how players behave at the national team level. I don't see anything wrong with it. It's really yes supporting Queiroz. Okay. Now say the medical kind you can measure your expectation.
You better me course on better ma me Emma Mansie Rural Bank. Amansie Rural Bank.